Here's a quick and easy basic guide to use DaVinciresolve to make TikTok and YouTube shorts. This is how I use it to make my own content as a content creator. First thing you want to do, make a new project. Call it whatever you want. Okay. Edit, right click, timelines, create new timeline, deselect project settings, format, change this to 1080 by 1920. Select the frame rate, whatever the raw footage is. Mine's 60 frames. Create. Go to media, open up the hard drive where you have it, drag it across your footage. Drag it into the timeline, media pool, sorry. Click to edit, drag it into timeline. What you want to do, first thing, unlink clips. So now they move independent of each other. Do is you go Alt, drag that up so it creates another one. Again. Go to this bottom one, effects, filters, Gaussian blur, drag that over, type in 0.9, the video, then 5. Now you got your background one here, video 1.5, top video, you sub B, crop it, get to your camera. Use this, drag it around, get it up to however big you want. Crop it a little bit more tightly. So right there is your basic layout for a TikTok. Camera, background, gameplay. So, if you want to make a cut, drag your timeline marker, this to the point where you want to cut, hold down Control \\. That will cut all that are highlighted. So highlight all the clips, \, it cuts through them all. Once they're highlighted, backspace deletes it, select the area, backspace, and that's now gone. If you only want to delete one, let's say I want to cut my camera for a little bit, Control \. Now camera's gone, everything else remains. You want to add something like a green screen or a music overlay or a sound effect or anything, simply go back to media, go into wherever you store that, drag it across like so, back into edit, media pool, drag your playhead to the point where you want it here, and the same again, drag this onto the timeline. Now green screen it, you go to effects, scroll down to 3D keyer, drag that onto it, effects, grab this little dropper, drag that over the green, sorry, need to have this selected, well, the effects overlay, dropper, drag it, despill 1, it's nice and crisp, and then video to zoom, position it, change the angle. I wanted to point out, automate rose skin up here, boom, we've now got an arrow. Lagging because I'm trying to record it at the same time, but that shows that. If you wanted to just cut that, okay, it's a bit too long, Control \. Again, there we go. Process, you go down to delivery, name it, test, select the location where you want to save it, edits, open, save, go down here, sometimes it reselects it, so make sure that the resolution's right, 1080 by 1920 frames, click that to best, add to render queue, and go render all, and that will render and save it into the folder you have selected. Upload it to TikTok or YouTube Shorts.